Okay, so first up, what you need to do is just simply go to your settings. Once you're inside your settings, just simply scroll down a bit until you see the option of screen time. Just go ahead and press on that. And right over here, what you need to do is just go down a bit until you see change screen time passcode. So what you need to do is just select change screen time passcode. And right over here, you have to choose turn off screen time passcode. So if you press on it, it will bring you right over here for changing. So you have to press on forgot password on this option right over here. Just press on this option and you can just enter your Apple ID and passcode. And yeah, this is simply it. Just remember the sequence. I'll show you again. You have to go to change screen time passcode and then turn off screen time passcode, and then just simply need to press on forget passcode. And yeah, this is pretty much it. Hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.